Akash, I was there in 201 last night. I lost my ring. After information also, I am not getting my ring. Can you check what happened when I will get my ring back?
I don't know the lost and found policy, sir.
You don't know what is the lost and found policy? Come, I'll tell you what all the lost and found policy is there in a hotel. I'll tell you exactly what all of the policies is there for the lost and found. So everyone must know who is working in a hotel or with any organization where guest is coming and staying in a hotel, and of course they can lost something, and what are the policy to return to the guest. So basically lost and found policy, lost and found is to handled by housekeeping department usually in a good hotel, otherwise it's come under security. So basically what all are the policies is there and how it is to follow and how many types of lost and found is there, I'll tell you step by step. First is your purpose. Whose purpose you lost? Okay, to ensure all the items lost or found on the premises are handled by systematically, recorded properly and returned to the rightful owner. जिसका भी है उसको रिटर्न करना है, उसको प्रॉपर प्रोसेस में उसको रिटर्न करना है. Second is the scope. Okay, applies to all guests, visitor and staff in the hotel or restaurant. Okay, there is a scope you can apply to all the staff who is working in your restaurant or hotel. Next is procedure. First procedure is when item is found. Item is lost, to highlight it. What is the first procedure when item found? Any staff member who find the item must immediately hand it over to the duty manager or security. If it is under the security or if it is under the housekeeping, you have to hand it over to the housekeeping or lost and found department. Record the details in lost and found register like date, time and the description of the item, what is the item, location found, where you found that item, name of the person who found it. Mr. Agarwal found, Mr. Bera found, whosoever found it, you mention the person name. Tag the item with unique reference number would store. It is secure, lost and found, locker room. Anywhere, wherever you keep it, it has to be stored secure and it has to be in lock and key. Return the item to the owner. The next step, you have to return those items to the owner. जिसका है उसको रिटर्न करना है वो आइटम. ठीक है. Ask the proper identification and description of the lost items. अगर रिंग है तो प्रॉपर डिस्क्रिप्शन कैसे देखने में है, उसका साइज क्या है, ठीक है, वेट क्या है, ये सारे आपको जो भी आइडेंटिफिकेशन है वो कलेक्ट करना है. उसके बाद गेस्ट सही बोल रहे हैं, जिसका है क्या नहीं बोल रहे हैं, वो आपको पता करना है. यू मस्ट चेक दैट. Get the owner sign on the lost and found register upon collecting. Of course, जब भी आप handover करोगे उसमें उसको sign लेना है. Whosoever it is, you are giving handover to the owner, who is exactly is owned by. So you have to take signature from him. Okay. If the owner is not on site, arrange a safe delivery after proper verification. Your guest already left from the city, from the hotel, and already he is there in another city. After verification, you can send this item through courier. Okay. Now, unclaimable item. Few things will be there. It cannot be claimed. Unclaimed item. So, few item will be unclaimed item like valuables, jewelry, electronics, wallet. Okay. It can be unclaimed. Okay. Perishable items are disposed within 24 hours. Any perishable item will be there, you have to dispose this item within 24 hours. If unclaimed, after retention period, like few food items you got it will be expire in coming 10 days, but nobody claimed that. So these things you can dispose or you can donate to somebody else as per the company policy. You will receive hundreds items in a lost and found, but this will not claim for that. Maybe I lost my biscuit packet in my room. I went to Aurangabad from Mumbai. I'll go and claim that I need my biscuit packet. It is something like looking very full. So when that biscuit packet will be getting expired, you can donate, or you can, it is expired, you can, after expired, you can dispose as per the hotel policy. So we will see what all are the categorized is there for lost and found things. कितना टाइप का होता है lost and found, किस हिसाब से हम इसको कैटेगराइज करता है. सो बेसिकली 3 मेन टाइप्स है lost and found things का, based on ownership and location. Okay, like the first will be the guest property. The guest property, like items left behind by guest in guest room, like clothes, chargers, jewelries. Public area in the lobby or restaurant or spa, banquet hall, and any meeting rooms. Guests can left their jewelry, ring, wallet, anything they can left there in the jewelry in the room. Example: wallet, mobile phone, and any luggages they can keep somewhere else in meeting room or inside of the room. The next is employee property. Items belongs to staff found in employees locker. स्टाफ का भी कुछ मिल सकता है लॉकर में, किसी का भूल गया है. कैफेटेरिया और स्टाफ एरियाज, एनी वर्क स्टेशन, वर्किंग एरिया लाइक आईडी कार्ड, यूनिफॉर्म, लंच बॉक्स, मनी पार्ट्स फॉर द स्टाफ, दे कैन, so it can be under the employee. Next is hotel or company properties, the things which is belongs to the hotel, like mizapla, hotel equipment, cutlery, crockery, linen, etc., etc. That also can be a part of a lost and found. Anything you get any other place, you have to submit to the concerned department, like maintenance tool, room key, banquet equipment, cleaning supplies. So these are all the things. Apart from that, there is a few additional things will be there in the hotel. You will find that while you are working in a hotel, like valuable things, jewelry, cash, electronics, perishable items like food, drinking. Perishable means what can be disposed within 24 hours. Non-valuable like magazine, toiletries, etc., etc. Those item values is less. It will be easily you can get in another place. If you lost your magazine in hotel, you can get it the same magazine in another place also. But few things will be there. This come under valuable responsibilities, like all employees must report found items immediately. Duty manager or security must maintain the register to ensure the safe storage and handle the returns to the guest, to the owner. Management should ensure the policy is implemented and staff are trained for that. These things has to be there so that SOPs will be properly work in the organization. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to get return back for lost and found item. Of course, for the guest communications, few things is there. If a guest report for lost and found items, record all the details for lost item properly in a form. Proper detailing has to be there. Maintain a polite and professional communication with all the times whenever you are speaking to the hotel staff. You should not treat them, I need this time, within this time, this, that. You should not misguide the staff, misguide the hotel being as a guest. So these are the things is there. If you are able to return the things, is fine. Otherwise, you have to keep these in a safe locker. Thank you so much for bearing with us your valuable time, and subscribe to Hospitality Desk channel and press the bell icon to know more notification about hotel industry. Thank you.